Welcome students. Let's continue with MSW logo. Before we begin today's class, let's have a quick recap. You all know what is logo. A logo is a popular computer program which is used for drawing different figures on the screen using simple commands. And all these logo commands which we use for making the drawing, they all are called as logo primitives. In our last class, we have discussed few of the logo primitives like home, FD, BK, RT, LT, CS, CT, HT, ST, and BY. In today's class, we will basically discuss about the pen primitives. Now, what are these pen primitives? You all know that the turtle is basically work like a pen. So whenever we make the turtle move, it leaves ink behind it, and that actually makes a line. However, we can control the working of Logo's turtle's pen. We can make the turtle move without making a line. We can make the turtle move by making lines of different thickness, different color, different size. And that can be done by using different logo primitives. Collectively, we call all those logo primitives as pen primitives. So in today's class, we are basically going to discuss about pen up, pen down, pen erase, pen paint, set pen size, set pen color, set screen color. These logo primitives. Now let's discuss about them one by one. First is pen up. You all know that when the turtle moves, it always leaves a line behind it. But if you want that the turtle should move, but it should not leave any trace behind it. It should not make any line. It should move by creating a gap. Then you need to make the turtle's pen up. You need to lift the turtle's pen up. That can be done by giving the command called pen up. When you will give pen up, you will see there is no change in the turtle. But after that, if you will move the turtle by giving FD or BK command, you will see that the turtle will move, but it will not leave any line behind it. The next command is pen down. When the turtle is up and not making any line, you cannot draw. But again, if you want to start drawing, you need to make the turtle's pen down. You need to make the turtle's pen start making lines for you. That can be done by giving the command pen down. After pen down, if you will move the turtle by giving the command FD or BK, you will see that the turtle will make line. It will leave traces behind it. The next command is pen erase. The pen erase command basically changes the turtle's pen into an eraser so that while moving, it will not draw, but it will erase. So if you want to do any correction in your drawing, you need to change your turtle's pen from pen to an eraser by giving the command pen erase, PE. The next command is pen paint. Once you have changed your turtle from pen to an eraser, and after doing the erasing work, if you want to bring back the pen, then you need to give the command pen paint. The short form is PPT. The next command which we will discuss is called set pen size. This command is used for changing the width and height of the line which turtle is making. With set pen size, we need to give two numbers. The one represent the width of the line and the second represent height of the line. Just remember that both the number need to be same. The next command is set PC, that is set pen color. It will change the color of the pen. Till now, whatever drawing you have done, all the drawings have been done by using black color pen. Every time the line appears black in color. If you want to change that color, then you need to use the command set PC or set pen color. Along with this command, you need to give the color code as well. The color codes are written here. You can use any of these number as your color code. The next command is set SC or set screen color. This command is used for changing the background color of the drawing. Means it will change the graphic screen color. The color codes are given here. These are the colors in which you can change your graphic screen. So now let's start MSW and start exploring these commands. As you can see, we have already started logo. So let's start working. First of all, I am drawing a line by giving the command FT100. Can you see the turtle moved from this place to this place, and while moving, it made this line. It left the trail behind. Now I want to move my turtle from this place to this place without making any line. So for doing that, we need to give the command pen up, that is PU, and press enter. Can you see? Is there any change in the turtle? No. But actually there is a change. What turtle has done? Turtle has lifted its pen up. That means now if I will move the turtle by giving the command FT or VK, while moving it will not draw any line. Let's check out FT100, enter. Can you see? The turtle moved from this place to this place, but this time while moving there was no line because we have already lifted the turtle's pen up by giving the command PU, that is pen up. Now again, if you want to start drawing lines, you need to put the turtle's pen down. That we can do by giving the command PD. Just type PD and press enter. No changes, but when we will move the turtle by giving the command FD or BK, you will see that this time turtle will move by making lines. Let's check out FD100, enter. Can you see? Now as we have given pen down, that is PD, the turtle's pen is down now, and while moving it has made the line for us. Okay. Now let's change the turtle's pen from pen to an eraser. We want to erase this particular line. So for doing that, first we need to change the turtle pen from pen to an eraser by giving the command PE. So simply type PE and press enter. You will not see any change in the turtle, but when you will move the turtle, you will see that while moving, it will erase the line. So I'm giving the command BK100, enter. Can you see? Now your turtle's pen has changed from pen to an eraser. That's why while coming back, it has erased that particular line for you. Okay. Now if you will move the turtle, you will see the turtle is still an eraser. So it will not make any line for us. But if you want to start drawing lines again, you need to give the command pen paint, the short form PPT. Just type PPT and press enter. Now you will see that if I will move the turtle, this time it will make line for us because this PPT command has actually changed the turtle's pen from an eraser back to a pen. So can you see? The turtle came back from this place to this place, and while coming back, it has made this line for us. Okay. Now let's clear the graphics screen by giving the command CS. Now let's change the appearance, change the size and shape and color of the pen. For that, we will first use the command set pen size. You need to type the entire command set pen size, leave a gap, Then use the big bracket and type first the width of the line, space, then height of the line. Remember, both the number needs to be same. Close the bracket and press enter. Can you see any difference in the turtle? No? Let's see. Just type FD 100 and press enter. Can you see the difference now? The pen has been changed. Its width and height has been changed. Now let's change the color of the pen. For that, we will use the command set pen color, short form set PC. So I have typed set PC. Give a gap and then you need to type the color code, the color in which you want to change your turtle's pen. Like I am giving 6 here. Press enter. Can't see any difference. So let's move the turtle and check. Now can you see? Earlier the turtle's pen was black in color, but now it is drawing in yellow color. Okay. And at the same time, if you want, you can change the color of the background as well. For doing that, you will use the command set screen color. Set SC. Give a gap and then type the color code in which you want to change the background of the drawing. So I have given 10 here. Press enter. Can you see? The background color has been changed. Can you see now? Your background is green in color, your pen is yellow in color, and whatever you are drawing, that is appearing green, yellow in color. If you want, you can change the color again, like I'm doing. Set PC 14 this time I gave. And let's draw something. Can you see different color? So you can use this set PC to change the color of the lines, set SC to change the background color, set pen size to change the thickness of the lines. You can use pen up to move the turtle without making line. You can use pen erase to erase any line. Children, use these wonderful commands and draw something very interesting. Okay? See you soon. Thank you.